People don't realise just how hard it is for people until they need it themselves. My name is Noel Brennan. I live in Tulsk, which is about 12 or 13 miles from here, and I was duty manager in Cushla for 18 years. Cushla was a holiday and respite centre. It was kind of short stay, more or less based on a hotel model, but we were able to provide more or less all medical needs for people that would be staying. A lot of our guests had various physical disabilities, so that would have required nursing care, personal assistance, and all that goes around that. It was a wedding venue, bar, there was music, outings, just more or less to try and make it a holiday the same as any of the rest of us would take a holiday. And I suppose for the guests coming, it turned into a place and not a disability place, which was hugely important. Beginning of November, we were called in and we were told we were going to be made redundant on the 29th of November. It was a massive shock, really didn't. So I suppose the first 10 minutes of that meeting was, oh God, we've lost our jobs and thinking about ourselves. And then it quickly switched, and I mean very quickly switched to what's going to happen to the people that use Cushla. The people in the area had really bought into the centre over the years. They held a lot of their functions here, a lot of their sporting events was here. But I really didn't realise to what extent they were proud of this place. They were proud of Cushla in their area. And what it stood for and what it was about. There was a huge campaign to try and reverse the decision. The IWA, they appeared at the Public Health Committee in front of I don't know how many TDs. They wanted out, and they've given 2 or 3 different reasons. They said they wanted to roll out a new hotel model. The Fisheries Board, they put in 31 fully accessible fishing stands. It's a brilliant facility. It's really, really nice. And we've had fishing competitions. We've had a couple of international fishing competitions. Down the other side of the area, there's Stoneham's Loch. It's only lately there's been a new fishing stand put in there. Over in Loch Ree, they've bought and they're developing an accessible boat. That boat came from Estonia. And that was all sort of local politicians, local groups, seeing what can we put into the area that would complement what Cushla does. We kind of knew how people ticked, what went on, could see stuff before it happened. It was just our jobs. That's what we did for years and years. We were good at it. And to transport that out into a hotel just in one swoop,